Hi Gary, I'm video. Tell me about the conditions we have here, Gary.
Well, it's really blowing snow and it's kind of light, but it's really heavy underneath. Yeah, as you can see, there's about 6 inches still on the ground that they haven't plowed yet. And I got a big pile here about 3-4 feet high that I just shoveled. So look at this poor guy down the street, he can't even get into a parking space and he's got 4-wheel drive.
It's ridiculous. Oh my gosh, look at this. My hands are frozen.
Welcome to the world.
Oh my gosh.
See, this guy's got a snowblower, now he's doing much either. Looks like he's going harder than I am.
This is crazy.
Back to you, Ange.
All right, back to me. Here he comes. I'm going to get this guy right here.
He can't freaking move.
Where is he?
He must be from Central America or something.
Did you say Central America? All right. Well, yeah, he's not going much of anywhere. He's trying. Backing up. All right. Well, see you later, Gary.
I got snortsickles.